Okay, I'm done. I'm just done with the Celtic languages. I'm done with Gaelic, done with Welsh. They're dying languages anyway. I don't know why I even bothered. Matter of fact, I'm just done with Japanese too. I'm done with any languages, any languages other than the ones that are going to be super beneficial for business. So English, got that one. Spanish, guess I'll keep picking that up. And I don't know, Mandarin. Those are like the only languages worth learning. So if you're learning Gaelic or you're learning Welsh or Japanese or any of those other pointless languages, sorry to have deceived you. It's a lost cause. So just stop. Because I'm stopping too. And Nabigora. Nabigora. She la na gokarach gehauen